Hi there, this is a Metanoia Minute. I'm Max. This is a quote from Neville Goddard's lecture, The Perfect Image, 1969. Everything is ordered. Everything is perfect. God planned it just as it has come out, and as He willed it, it will be consummated, and no tyrant in the world is going to stop it. He will take all the tyrants in the world and use them in the fulfillment of His purpose, as we are told in Proverbs 16:4. The Lord has made everything for its purpose, even the wicked, for the day of trouble. Everything, not just a few. For it takes the wicked being to cross your path to add a little more fire to bring you closer into the image of God. If it takes many to cross it, they will cross your path. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and thanks for watching.